There is a species in the Galactic Assembly known only as the Viren. They do not speak. They do not write. And yet they are feared, not for their strength, but for something far more dangerous. The Viren cannot lie, not because of ethics, not because of culture, but because their biology does not allow it. Their thoughts are projected directly, involuntarily, to those around them. No language, no translation, only pure thought. It is said that when you stand near a Viren, you hear your own thoughts reflected back at you, clearer than before. And if you lie, they do not accuse you. They simply look at you. And you hear the silence. When Earth joined the Assembly, Ambassador Rylus Trent was warned about them. Never lie in the presence of a Viren, they said. They will not react, but you will. Trent, a skilled diplomat, had lied many times in his career. Lies of protection, lies of omission, lies of hope. But when his path crossed with the Viren, he would learn the true cost of hiding the truth. The meeting took place in a quiet chamber. No windows, no audience. Just one human and one Viren. The Viren's thoughts filled the room like music with no source. Rylus felt his own memories stir. His hands trembled slightly, not from fear, but from exposure. Then the question came, not spoken, not transmitted, but simply understood. Why were your kind removed from the Assembly before? Rylus opened his mouth. He had answers. Official ones. Sanitized ones. But the moment he began to speak, he couldn't. The Viren said nothing, and that silence tore through him like a blade. He saw it then, the old records, Earth's first attempt at expansion, thousands of years ago. The manipulation of lesser species, the seeding of violence on peaceful worlds, a history hidden even from humans themselves, and buried deliberately. The Viren did not accuse, they did not judge. They simply stood, a mirror. And in that mirror, Rylus saw not a diplomat, but a descendant of an empire that had once tried to reshape the stars in its image. Without permission, without memory, until now. The meeting ended with no treaty, no signatures, no grand speeches, only the quiet understanding between two beings, one who could not lie and one who no longer wanted to. Later, when other assembly members asked about the meeting, Rylus said only one thing. The Viren showed me something I had forgotten to see, myself. And that, in the end, was what made them powerful. Not weapons, not armies. But truth, impossible to control, impossible to escape, and impossible to forget.